Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. When a repair ticket is issued for a device in a repair shop, the device may go through various statuses from the time it is brought in until it is delivered to the customer. And as you see, these are the available statuses: in line, under repair, ready, and delivered. You can change the device's status directly on the ticket after it has been issued, as you see here, or when a technician works on the device, whether by using parts to fix it or by adding services to the customer's invoice. They can update the status here. You can also view all the different statuses in the sidebar menu, as you see here. For example, we have 4 devices for inline, troubleshooting 1 device, and so on. And you can see devices for each repairman as well, as you see here. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.